studio, Hotrods.com.
That's a 242 car, so the GTO 1967, like that one is. The first three numbers of the VIN number got to be 242 to be an authentic GTO, otherwise it's Tempest or Le Mans or whatever. But that's a real GTO. This right here is a limited edition Hearst version of a GTO. Never made before. It's got the gold interior, and we just put the gold pinstripe on it. Show them that video. That's cool too. So really cool. Sarah, you know, with Sarah when she's cleaning the cars, and she's always on her phone. This is just Sarah. Yeah, always. But as she's cleaning, this is always the cleanest area of the car. I don't get it. Why are you covering up the belly? It's still sticking out. It's like there's gonna be a. We're all gonna die, man! Run! Oh my God! Met her in a trailer park. She's having my baby. Where's the customer?
Mary Gardner College now picking up the cars.
This one?
Yes.
I think I like that. Actually, I get one more night with that Black Beauty. Sarah? Wanna go for a ride?